Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing split stance rows. So as you saw, there are 3 different variations that we can do here. But let's talk about our split stance first. We want to bring one foot out in front of the other. We're not in this super wide lunge position. We're going to be somewhere that's pretty comfortable because we want our weight distributed evenly between both of our feet, maybe a little bit more forward, but that back leg is there. It's really supporting us and it's engaged too. Okay, so here we want to think about having a straight line from our head all the way to that heel behind us. Head, straight line down to the heel. My glutes are engaged. My legs are super engaged here, guys. So is my stomach, so is my core. That's what's keeping me upright, even though I'm angled towards the floor. We can take 2 dumbbells, one in each hand, and we are going to pull them back to our low ribs. When we do this, we want to think about keeping our shoulders back and down, so that way we're actually pulling to our low ribs. We're not pulling up here and using our upper traps. Keep the shoulders back and down, squeeze your elbows, squeeze your shoulder blades behind your back. So this would be the 2-arm variation. We also have a 2-arm alternating variation. And then we have a single arm variation. And when we're doing these, we want our dumbbell in the opposite hand of the foot that's in front of us. We can put our hand on our leg to support us, but we certainly don't have to. You just always want to make sure that you do the same amount on one side as you do on the other. So for more excellent upper body exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.